Ever found yourself scrolling through travel blogs, dreaming of that next adventure, and then a name pops up, YouTrip? Maybe you've seen their vibrant purple cards or heard whispers of seamless overseas spending. But a question might linger in the back of your mind: who exactly is YouTrip? Who's the driving force behind this travel fintech that seems to be popping up in more and more wallets? It's a fair question. In a world of massive financial institutions and rapidly evolving tech startups, understanding the ownership structure of a service you rely on can be reassuring. So, let's dive into the story behind YouTrip and uncover who calls the shots. To understand YouTrip's ownership, we need to rewind a bit to its origins. YouTrip was founded in 2018 with a clear vision: to simplify cross-border payments and make overseas spending hassle-free and cost-effective. This vision was brought to life by a team of experienced individuals with backgrounds in finance, technology, and e-commerce. Now, while the initial team laid the groundwork, the financial muscle and strategic direction often come from investors. YouTrip has successfully secured funding through several rounds, attracting investment from various venture capital firms and strategic partners. These investments have been crucial in fueling YouTrip's growth, expanding its reach across Southeast Asia, and developing its suite of features. Among the notable investors in YouTrip is Insignia Ventures Partners. This Singapore-based venture capital firm focuses on early-stage technology companies in Southeast Asia and has a strong track record of backing successful startups. Their investment in YouTrip signifies confidence in the company's business model and its potential to disrupt the traditional cross-border payment landscape. Another key investor is Square Peg Capital. This Australian venture capital firm also has a significant presence in Southeast Asia and has supported YouTrip in its expansion efforts. The backing of Square Peg highlights the regional appeal and growth trajectory that YouTrip has demonstrated. It's important to understand that these venture capital firms, while significant shareholders, don't solely own YouTrip in the traditional sense. Their investment provides capital for growth in exchange for equity in the company. This means that ownership is distributed among various stakeholders, including the founders, early employees, and these institutional investors. Think of it like a recipe. The founders came up with the initial ingredients and the method, but investors added the resources needed to bake a larger cake and reach a wider audience. Furthermore, as YouTrip continues to grow and potentially explore future funding rounds or even a public listing down the line, the ownership structure may evolve further. This is a natural progression for many successful startups as they mature and seek further capital for expansion and innovation. So, to answer the initial question directly, YouTrip isn't owned by a single individual or a traditional bank. It's a privately held company backed by a consortium of venture capital firms, with significant stakes held by its founders and early team members. These investors provide the financial backing and strategic guidance to fuel YouTrip's mission of revolutionizing cross-border payments for travelers. The ownership structure reflects the nature of a fast-growing tech startup, a blend of entrepreneurial vision and institutional support working in tandem to deliver a valuable service to users like you. This collaborative approach allows YouTrip to remain agile, innovative, and focused on its core mission of simplifying your global adventures. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.